Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the network printer installations wizards is unable to install the printer and access denied. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo na dito yung open. And then next step dito sa troubleshoots. And then dito lang sa options, under nito ay select mo lang yung other troubleshooters. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, and then dito lang sa most frequent, select mo lang dito yung printer. And then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang to run. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-follow kung ano yung instructions na pwede natin gawin. Okay, so for example, do we have your consents to proceed with diagnostic? And then click mo lang dito yung yes. And other permissions, mga kaibigan, kailangan lang natin i-follow dito. Right, so and the next solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin dito. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung run. And then dito sa run, and then dito lang sa box, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then dito sa local group policy editor, ang next step, dito lang sa computer configurations, and then select mo lang dito yung Windows settings. So kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then dito sa Windows settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security settings. So double click ulit dito. And then dito sa security settings, and then dito lang sa local policy, kailangan mo lang mag-double click ulit. And then dito sa local policy, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung user rights assignment. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung load and unload device driver. So scroll down lang tayo. And then hanapin natin. Right, so ito siya. So makikita mo dito yung load and unload device drivers. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click ulit. And then next, dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa local security settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung add user or group. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa select user or groups, and then next step, dito na sa baba, makikita mo dito yung advanced. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step dito sa advanced settings, and then dito lang ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung find now. So i-click mo lang tong find now. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-locate yung user account name mo. Okay, so nandito lahat sa baba. So scroll down ka na dito at kailangan mo lang i-locate. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Click mo dito yung OK. Click mo dito yung apply, and then click mo tong OK. And then next step natin gagawin ay if you want to back up, and the next step, select mo lang dito yung administrative template. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung printer. So double click ulit tayo dito sa printers. And then pop up ito kanyang settings. Dito sa right side, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung disallow installations of printers. Okay? And then scroll down lang tayo. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung disallow installations of printers using kernel mode. So kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties settings. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-disable. So click mo tong disable. Click mo lang tong apply. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. Right? So ang last solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin dito. So dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na gp update /force. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na gp update /force. Yung /force ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then wait natin yung updating policy. Right, so makikita mo dito na computer policy update has completed successfully. Right, so ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix network printer installations wizard unable to install, printer access denied. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.